Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Git rebase. But before that, let's try to understand why do we need to rebase. So let's say I have a master branch, and in order to add my changes, I'm going to create one feature branch, and in that feature branch, I'm going to make some changes. Let's say commit 2 and 3 added as part of my change. Meanwhile, some other teammate added some change into master branch. So fourth has been added into master branch. Now one more teammate added some more changes to the master branch. So master branch again moved ahead by one more commit. Let's call it as 5. In this situation, we have 4 and 5, these two commit added to the master branch, which is not available in my feature branch. So if I want, I have two options here. Either I can complete my changes in my feature branch and then merge my change to the master branch. At that time I have to see there should not be any conflict, and if there is conflict I have to resolve it and then merge it. Another option what I have is rebase it. So earlier when I created my feature branch, it was created from 1. So that was the latest commit in master at that time. Later 4 and 5 added to the master. So I can rebase it so that my feature branch will point to the 5. 5 is the latest in master right now. So it work like it will rewind and apply the changes, and it will look like feature branch has been created from 5 after rebase. And in this diagram, if you wanted to see, it will look like this, where 1, 4, 5 is in my master branch, and then feature branch is taken from 5 and 2 and 3 added into feature branch. After that also I wanted to add some more changes into feature branch, that will be 6 that I can change here, and finally I can merge my feature branch back to the master branch. Now let's discuss what are the steps we are going to follow in this video. So first we are going to create a new feature branch. Then we are going to make some changes and commit to the feature branch. Then we are going to switch to the master branch and again make some changes to some file and commit the changes to the master branch. And finally we are going to rebase and merge the change. We are going to check the Git status, and here it is clean working directory. Now let's see the log, and here we can see modified apple.txt file is the last commit what we have in master branch. Let's clear this screen and see the branches. So currently I have only master branch. So I'm going to create one new branch and switch to that branch. So I will use checkout command. Now new branch has been created and we have already switched to this branch. So here also we can see the status, and this is clean working directory. Now I'm going to edit apple.txt file and I will add line 20 here, and after adding this new line I will save the changes and close the editor. Now we can see this file again. Here we can have the line 20. I will check the status. So file has been updated. So I'm going to add and commit this change. I will keep the commit message as line 20 added. Now let's check the log again, and this time we can see new branch is ahead from master branch. And let's do one thing. We are going to modify apple.txt file again, and we'll add one more line and we'll call it as line 30 added. So this way we'll have two commit in feature branch, those changes. So we can see the status here, and let's commit this change. So with this commit we have two commit added to the feature branch, that is line 20 and 30, and that we can check in git log here. So new branch is ahead by 2 commit from master branch. Now let's check out to master branch, and we'll make some change. So here if you see the Apple file, this is again the previous version here in master. So I'm going to edit orange file so that I will not have any conflict while rebase. So here I'll just give some message like orange file has been updated or something like that. So I will save this and close this editor. After this we are going to see the status. So orange file has been updated. Now I will add and commit. I'll give the message like orange file updated. So now if you see the log, here you can see your master branch is ahead here, but there is a diversion here in the feature branch. So we'll check out to the new branch and we will rebase it, because there is some change in the master branch and that change is not available in this new branch. Here you can see in this orange file. So we are going to rebase it. For that we have to give the command like git rebase master. There is no conflict, so it has rebased it. Now let's see the log, and here you can see orange file has been updated to the master here, and then we have the to commit to the new branch. Now let's see the orange file here, and here you can see orange file updated. So now we'll make some more changes to this apple.txt file. This is just to showcase that after rebase we are adding some changes to the feature branch, and for that I'm just adding line 50 and I will commit this after looking into the status. So let's add and commit this change. So now we have 3 commit to the feature branch. We can see here 20, 30 and 50. These 3 commit added to the feature branch. Now let's clear the screen and we are going to check out to master branch so that we can merge the change what we have in new branch. For that we can give the command like git merge a new branch. This will merge the change, and this is a fast forward merge. So now if you'll see the apple.txt file, we have 20, 30, 50, these 3 lines added here, as well as orange file was already updated in master only. So let's see, we are going to delete this new branch, we don't need it now. So let's delete it, and again we are going to see the log. So here you can see we have the master branch with all the changes what we have done. So thanks for watching.